अस्सलाम वालेकुम वीवर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं नासरीन शेख आज आप सबको एंशिएंट इंडियन हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस आंसर के साथ करवाने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के साथ। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग वेदास डील विद मैजिक स्पेल एंड विचक्राफ्ट? सो आंसर इज डी, अथर्ववेदा। Okay, next question is the later Vedic age means the age of compilation of what? So answer is all the above, Samhitas, Brahmas and Arinkas. Okay, next question is the Vedic religion along with its later Vedic development is actually known as, so answer is B, Brahmanism. Next question, the Vedic Aryans first settled in the region of what? Answer is C, Sapta Sindhu. Okay. Question number 5 is which of the following contains the famous Gayatri Mantra? That is A, Rig Veda. Question number 6 is the famous Gayatri Mantra is addressed to, answer is D, Savita. Two highest gods in the Vedic religion were, answer is C, Indra and Varuna. And question number 8 is division of Vedic society into 4 classes is clearly mentioned in the what? Answer is B, Purusa Sukta of Rig Veda. Question number 9 is this Vedic god was a breaker of the forts and also a war god. What? Answer क्या होगा? A, Indra. And the question number 10 is the Harappan in Indus Valley civilization flourished during the dash age. Answer is D, that is Chalcolithic. Question number 11 is the first metal to be extensively used by the people in India was what? B, means copper. Okay. And question number 12 is which of the following civilization is not associated with Harappan civilization? Answer is D, Chinese. 13 is of the following scholars who was the first to discover the traces of the Harappan civilization? And the answer is D, Dayaram Sahani. Okay. And next question is 14. The Harappan civilization achieved for greater advancement than Sumer, Elam, etc. on accounts of its. And answer is A, town planning. Question number 15 is the town planning in the Harappan civilization was inspired by a regard for, answer is C, sanitization and public health. Question number 16 is the Indus or Harappan civilization is distinguished from the other contemporary civilization by its what? So answer is B, underground drainage system. ठीक है. Question number 17. Question number 17 is match the location of the following Harappan site. लिस्ट दी गई है, हमें लिस्ट से बताना है. तो सो लिस्ट इज़ 1 एंड लिस्ट 2. लिस्ट 1 में साइट्स दे रखी हैं, लिस्ट 2 में स्टेट्स दे रखी है. साइट्स है आपको ये आप देख सकते हो जो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ये सारा. एंड आंसर इज ए, दैट 2, 1, 4, 3 एंड वी. ठीक है, इस तरीके से इसको मैच करना है. सो ये मैचिंग का था. नेक्स्ट आ जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट है 18. द डेट ऑफ द हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन 2300 to 1750 BC has been fixed on the basis of, so D, radiocarbon 14 dating. Question number 9 is most of the large Harappan towns had fortification which served the purpose of what? D, all the above. Means 1, safety from robbers, 2, protection against cattle raiders, and third, protection against floods. Okay. Question number 20 is corals grown by the people of the Harappan civilization were what? So that is D, all the above: wheat, rice, millet. चलिए question number 21. So question number 21, the utensils of Indus Valley people were mainly made of what? Answer is A, clay. मतलब मिट्टी का बनाते थे, जो होता है कीचड़ वगैरह. Question number 22 is, which of the following metal was not known as Indus Valley people? That is D, iron. Okay. Question number 13 is, which of the following object was not worshipped by the Indus Valley people? Answer is D, Trimurti. Question number 14 is, at which of the following Harappan sites has a supposed dockyard been founded? Answer is B, Lothal. Question number 25 is, the economy of the Indus Valley people was based on was. So all of the above, which is one is agriculture, second is trade and commerce, third is craft. Okay. Next question is 26. The Harappan civilization declined as a result of, that is D, not definitely known factors. Okay. Question number 27 is, the most common animal figure found at all the Harappan sites is, and the answer is A, unborn bull. Okay. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं यहाँ पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 है, द टर्म आर्यन, इंडो आर्यन और इंडो यूरोपियन denotes a dash concept, and the answer is linguistic concept. Question number 29 is, according to the most widely accepted view, the Aryans originally came from where? So the answer is B, Central Asia. Okay. Next question is 13. Which of the following Vedas was compiled first? That is A, Rig Veda. The Vedic economy was based on, answer is C, agriculture and cattle rearing. And the question number 32 is, the normal form of government during the Vedic period was, that is D, monarchy. Question number 33 is, two popular assemblies of the Vedic period were C, Sabha and Samiti. ठीक है. Next 34, question number 34, the Indo-Greek kingdom set up in North Afghanistan in the beginning of the 2nd century BC was, and that is what was? That is A, Scythia. Question number 35, the beat spacemen of Mauryan art are represented by their B, pillars, by their pillars. Question number 36 is, which of the following does not represent an important source material for the Mauryan period? That is C, numismatic evidence. Okay. Question number 37 is, according to Strabo, the Tamil kingdom to first send emissaries to meet Augustine in Athens in 20 BC was, that is C, Pandya. Question number 38, who among the following was the founder of the Nanda dynasty? And that answer is 1, that is A, Mahapadmananda. Question number 39 is, the word Veda has been derived from the root word Ved, which means, that is D, means of knowledge. Okay, knowledge. Question number 40. Question number 40 is, the Kushan rule was brought to an end by, and that answer is the Hindu Shahi dynasty. Okay. Question number 41. Ashoka has been particularly influenced by the Buddhist monk, and answer is B, Upagupta. Okay. Question number 42 is, during Kanishka's its reign, the center of political activity shifted from Magadha to dash D Purushaputra, that is Peshawar. Okay. Question number 43 is which of the following Sanskrit language? That is C. Gupta's. Okay, question number 44. Who had got the Konark Sun Temple constructed? That is C. Narasimha Deva. Okay. Question number 45. Which one of the following sculptures invariably used green schist as the medium? So the answer is C. Bharhat sculptures. Okay. Next. Who among the following is known for his work on medicine during the Gupta's period? And the answer is D. Susruta. Okay. Question number 47. In the context of ancient Indian society, which one of the following terms does not belong to the category of the other three? And the answer is C. Kosa. Okay. Question number 48 is who wrote Mirichakka Tika, that is clay cart. Okay, that means clay cart. And the answer is Sudraka. 49. After the partition of India, the largest number of Harappan towns and settlements have been founded in where? So the answer is C. Gujarat. Question number 50 and the last is the Indus Valley civilization can be said to belong to the what? And the answer is D. Bronze Age. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.